Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Policygenius for health insurance comparisons, complete guide step by step clearly. To start your journey with Policygenius, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Policygenius and hit enter. Once the home page loads, locate the health insurance option. Click on it to access the health insurance comparison tools. You will see a button or link that says Get Started or Compare Plans. Click on that button to begin the process. Next, you will be prompted to enter your zip code for personalized options. Fill in your zip code and click Continue or Next. Now, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself. This typically includes your age, household size, and income. Fill out the required fields and proceed to the next step. You may also need to answer questions about your current health coverage. Indicate whether you're currently insured or seeking new coverage. Once completed, review the information for accuracy. After that, you will receive health insurance options tailored to your needs. These options will include different plans, coverage levels, and costs. Take your time to compare the features and prices of each plan. When you find a suitable plan, click on it for more details. Review the specifics, such as deductible amounts and coverage limits. If you're satisfied, look for an option to apply or enroll. Follow the prompts to complete your application. You may need to create an account with Policygenius for future reference. After submitting your application, keep an eye on your email for confirmation. This confirmation will contain important details about your new health insurance plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.